Hi and welcome to Mataba News Report. During the period from Friday 23 January to Thursday 29 January 2026, the SAPS Gauteng Police Emergency Services, including the Flying Squad, K9 and Highway Patrol, achieved the following operational successes. 117 suspects were apprehended for various offenses. 49 of these arrests were serious offenses, including murder, kidnapping, extortion, armed robbery, and housebreaking. 50 hijacked and stolen vehicles were successfully recovered, with 10 suspects arrested for possession of these vehicles. 7 firearms were taken off the streets, resulting in the 3 accompanying arrests. And additionally, 55 arrests were made for dealing in or possession of drugs, with the confiscation of heroin, dagga, crystal meth, and mandrax. Well, I am very happy to see these kind of operations happening. Definitely, this will help to decrease the crime in South Africa. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again on the next story. I am Makabongwe Mataba. Goodbye.